how to protect your family and your assets from a nursing home. What does a nursing home truly cost a family? Families are busy with their careers, and they want to believe that insurance facilities will do a good job caring for their parents while they enjoy their lifestyle. The award-winning CBC News in Canada did an illusion-shattering undercover story that is a must-see about the current state of nursing homes. The CBC Canadian Broadcasting Corporation has shown the world the reality of the state of nursing home care. When there are so many systems in place, how did the system fail us like this? People's behaviour, like the understaffed healthcare workers routinely not paying full attention to duties that tidy up the place when they get wind that the state inspectors are arriving. It's a horror movie. Nursing home security footage provides raw picture of resident violence problem. Reported abuse between nursing home residents is on the rise. Patient Maya Sadaway, 84, is caught on security cam down on the floor, and he died after being attacked by an elder in the hallways of a first-class nursing facility.
We were torn up inside that our family was in tension over our mom being in a very costly nursing facility because that's what we thought was best. Until we heard the truth about the staff's gross misbehavior and constant turnover, combined with the other elders passing intense, dangerous germs. I had to work and couldn't be the caregiver, even though not having mom home and safe was making me feel really horrible about it. My immune system was suffering because of the heavy guilt. In the past, if you wanted to care for family at home with higher standard natural science that limits side effects, you had to do all the research yourself, pick the protocols, and figure them out without hand-holding. The Different Altitude team, led by Donovan Chapre, mapped out must-have education personalized coaching that gave us step-by-steps to keep mom at home and manage her health and her urinary issues with our own people that we trained, which had huge practical benefits for every extended family member over 40 because what we learned partly applied to them as well. The specific understanding that Different Altitude put in our hands on the personalized training calls made relatives chip in when they found that everyone's health could be helped by helping mom.
Elders are routinely given one course of antibiotics after another for years, for conditions such as UTI, urinary tract infections. There are new studies from Johns Hopkins Medical School that shows that elders are being routinely over-medicated for UTI. In the 21st century, antibiotics are not the only way to treat UTIs. Antibiotic overuse causes the very current massive problem of antibiotic-resistant disease that is deadly and on the increase. Antibiotic side effects are thought of by many doctors as a trade-off because too many doctors too often won't look beyond antibiotics to handle everyday health issues. Candida auris, a drug-resistant germ that spreads in healthcare facilities. Candida auris. 8 Britons who died in UK hospitals were infected with Japanese superfungus. A mysterious infection spanning the globe in a climate of secrecy. A deadly drug-resistant fungus has swept the globe. Here's how it spreads. A deadly drug-resistant fungus is infecting patients in hospitals and nursing homes around the world. The fungus seems to have emerged in several locations at once, not from a single source. Frustration raising violence risks, antibiotic overuse raising disease risks. Your elders' difficult health challenges are a preview of your other family members' health issues to come. If you don't take the time now to learn the skills to help them, you won't be prepared for your other family members' health challenges, including including your own. Nursing home brochures show a picture about what is going on inside. What you don't see are the elders' feelings. Your parents gave you their best when you were a child. The truth is, your dear cherished family member's immune system is dependent on their quality of life and their environment. Caring at home allows heartwarming moments in their hour of need, creating memories that will resonate for generations. When you care about your family's quality of life, a place for mum or dad is at home, where they can live safely and without exposure to the dangers of a group insurance facility. Keeping elder parents safe at home requires learning a new set of skills and technologies. Skills and technologies that help everyone's well-being in the family, not just your elders' health.